Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about divider, why we use divider and how divider works. We learned about the tab bar already. Now as you can see in the Facebook tab, we have taken a button, image and a container. We are gonna make the container width to 100 and height to 100 pixels. Now we're gonna give it some spacer and width, make it to 100%, and height is alright, I think, and also give it some padding like this, and also full the padding. Okay, so as you can see that we have some UI here. If this is a container and this is a image. Okay, now in the container, if we take a column, and in the column we are adding this image, make the container size, height as default. Now as you can see, we have placed the container, and in the container we have taken a column, and in the column we have taken an image. Now we are adding a button, make the button width to 100, I think 70% is good. So we are adding a button. Add some border radius to the button to make a good look. Now if we want a divider between the image and the button, you want that a divider should be added so people don't clash their thoughts between the button and the image. And let's say we are going to duplicate this image. This is image 1 and this is image 2, and we have both of the images at the same place. And if you want that we don't want both of the images of the first image and the second image at their edge to edge, so we have to create a design so there is a line between it. So you can do it very easily. You can do it with a divider. So as you can see here, we have a divider. We have two type of dividers. This is the horizontal divider, and we also have a vertical divider. So if you search for divider, then you will add it. So as you can see that there is a divider between both of the images, and this looks a little bit of professional, such a way. You can make it solid. At first we are going to change its color so it's properly visible, and now there are line style like solid, dotted like this, and dashed, and also dash dotted. There are four types of line styles, and you can also reduce the capacity of the divider. Also there is a thickness option, and the thickness option can also be selected from a variable value. If you want it so bold, then you can do it. Okay, in the column only this divider can be added, so we are getting only one divider option, that is horizontal divider. We are not getting the vertical divider. A vertical divider can only be added to a row. So if we add a row in this column, as you can see that we have added a row, and in the row, let's say we have two buttons and we want a divider between these two buttons. So how can we do that? We can simply take a divider. You can see that we have a vertical divider here. In the vertical divider, we are placing it in between the two buttons, and if we place it at the center, then you can see that we have the vertical divider, which is dividing both the buttons. And also same for it, we get some styles here, dotted, dashed, like this. So that was all about divider, guys. See you in the next video.